Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is a quick walk around video, show you one of the latest vehicles we have in stock. So in front of us on for sale today, here we have Ford Transit 350 L3H2 Limited Series. So L3H2, long wheelbase, medium roof. This is a 2 litre Euro 6.2 185 PS 6-speed manual gearbox, so the largest engine you can get in a Transit. Front wheel drive, which means you get a greater payload and a lower floor in the back. ICE pack 25 included in this van, so that's the 8-inch touchscreen, Apple or Android CarPlay, with the addition of factory navigation, as well as adaptive and intelligent cruise control, lane departure, plus plenty more. Bi-xenon headlights, lovely low mileage, just over 9,200 miles covered, excellent condition, inside and out, factory painted, frozen white and available today. So registered November 2021, sitting on a 71 plate. Comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, subject to regular maintenance. And so limited series, very well spec'd inside and out. You get body colour front bumper, parking sensors front and rear. Got the power folding door mirrors, you've got Ford heated windscreen, 16-inch alloy wheels. Roywood Transits can upgrade the driver security door lock to a stainless steel one. Please ask for further information. So yeah, automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights. You've got the bi-xenons, cornering fogs, chrome effect grille, as well as plenty more inside. So L3 means you get just under 3.5 metres load length along the easy clean floor. Various tie downs fitted with Ford standard lining. Full metal bulkhead, yellow grab handle. You can see here, because of the front wheel drive, you've got the lower load floor giving you a greater load height inside. Rear barn doors can be locked in the 90-degree position by pushing this. And they also open a full 180 degrees. Right, now into the cab. Again, excellent condition like the rest of the vehicle. Got leather trimmed steering wheel, brake and height adjustable, leather trimmed gear knob, 8-inch touchscreen just beyond that, go into more detail in a second. You've got the dual passenger seat with fold down table, and under seat storage. 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support. Electric windows. Automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights. Remember, these are the bi-xenons. You've got power folding door mirrors. Voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected. Automatic rain sensing wipers. And here you've got the adjustable cruise control with adjustable speed limiter. So just confirming the mileage, and here we have the other driver assists. So you've got pre-collision assist with active braking. You've got traffic sign recognition with a speed warning alert, which you can turn on and off. You've got a lane keeping system and assist, so again a gentle vibration. And then down here you've got cruise control, both intelligent and adaptive. Also included an ICE pack 25 up here on the 8-inch touchscreen. You've got a factory navigation, as well as the usual, so you've got a blend of touchscreen, physical buttons. If you connect your phone through USB up on the dashboard, you can then access Android Auto or Apple CarPlay through your phone onto this screen. The screen also displays your front and rear parking sensors. And then just underneath that, you have the manual air conditioning. You've got your heated windscreen, your heated door mirrors, and then quick clear and quick cool. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we have a powerful, well-equipped van, Ford Transit 350 L3H2, factory painted, frozen white, 185 PS engine, 6-speed manual gearbox, front wheel drive, so increased payload and lower load floor. Huge chunk of Ford warranty still left on here. ICE pack 25 in the cab, so very well equipped. Again, if you'd like any further information or to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.